イエーイ。
志村ロッジに来ました。
こんにちは。私の名前はロジャーです。私はシムラロッジのマネージャーです。よろしくお願いします。
특별히스페론 Japan.
So, this is Shimura Lodge. We are located in Boroko, close to straight opposite NFS and Boroko Market on the runabout, the first house. It's very convenient, close to the market, close to the rugby stadium, NFS, and also walking distance, maybe 5 minutes walking distance to Boroko Central Business District. There's a lot of shops nearby. It's quiet, it's peaceful. We have backup water and genset, so in case of blackouts and all that. And then we have a dining area, we have a kitchen, and Shimura Lodge basically is the name of our Japanese family friend, Mr. Shimura. So we have a Japanese inspired small lodge here. Also, we have one of the unique accommodation in Port Moresby with Japanese washlets made by Toto, which is a very big Japanese brand regarding washlets. Anyway, that's it so far. If you have any questions, you can check us on Facebook. I guess that's it. Shimura Lodge, yokoso. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu.
특별히스페론 Japan.
Yokoso, Shimura Lodge.